So then,
here, come on, Jehu.
put them in the picture. Put them in the
And
picture.
This is Jehu.
Legs.
This is Jehu.
And there goes. Yay! That's where
Is he
it
doing
goes.
the right?
Well done. Where's this one go?
He's done it.
Go and pick these one.
First one.
Where's this one
First
go?
time ever he's doing this particular one.
Where's this one go?
And did his
Yay,
first one ever.
Good boy. Where's this one go?
This afternoon, really saw it.
Where's
But
that one go?
this evening he did his first puzzle ever on the computer, and now this is the second.
Hey, Jay's getting good at picking it up.
He's worked it out very quickly.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, where's this one go? That's the sky. Where's the sky go? Yay! Well done. Right, that's his tummy. Where's his tummy go? I think he's
There we go.
seen the shape before he's seen the picture.
Yeah.
He's just putting
He
the
seems
shape.
to have a really good understanding for...
Where's this one go?
Yay! Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah.
Oh, no, missed. Missed it.
Just drag a little bit, Jehu.
Press the button.
Yes.
Yay.
There we go. Okay.
Last one.
Last one. And well done, Jehu. Everybody clap. Fireworks! 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 Well done, my son. Okay, I'll show you.